there, welcome back to the channel. Do you know your child could start learning how to read or could read by learning just 6 sounds of the English alphabet? Does it sound impossible? It's not impossible, it's possible. To see how possible that is, come with me, let me show you. So here we are having the 6 sounds, and what are those sounds? We have s, a, t, I. Let's go again. S, a, t, p, I. Now, when you try to teach your child the sounds, avoid making the mistakes others make. For example, someone will say s, s. This sound is not s. You are adding a vowel to it when you say s. It is s. This is t, not te, te. Okay? P, not pe, pe. These are some mistakes people do. When you avoid such mistakes, it makes blending of the sounds easier. Now, with just these 6 sounds, let's see how many words a child could read with them. 2-letter words. A, an, an. Okay, let's go next. As, as. At, at, at. I, I, in. Now, let's try some 3-letter words, still from the 6 sounds. Up, up, nap, 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 ip, ip, nip, 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 sit, 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 at, at, pat, 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 ant, 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 ant. Let's try some 4-letter words. P, ant, p, ant.